Hello beautiful viewers, and welcome to another SMC tutorial video. And in today's video I will be teaching you how to buy the Wiki Card token on Bogged Finance using the limit order. In our previous video we used Pancake Swap, but today we are going to be using another decentralized exchange called Bogged Finance. So let's get right into the video. So next we go into our Trust Wallet, and then we navigate over to the browser and then head over to Bogged Finance. Once again, you will need to connect your Trust Wallet. Once you connect it, it shows connected, and then you are live. So you can just click this hamburger menu on the left side and have it bring out all the options for you, and then you go all the way to limit orders and stop loss and select it. Now when you have selected it, your screen is supposed to appear like this, and the next thing you want to do is to click on limit sell. Now once you're on limit sell, you need to select the token you want to sell. In my own case, I'm going to select WKC. Select it, and then you should see your page like this. Now next thing we want to do to swap, we need to input the amount of WKC we want to swap into BNB. But let's say you want to use a stable coin rather than BNB, you can just click on that BNB sign and change it to USDT. Now let's say I want to swap out the entire 100 billion plus WKC I have here. I could just click on max. Now once I click on max, it's going to show me the actual price of WKC at this current market price in this center column. You can see it there, and then down you can see how much USDT I'm going to get. But this is the current valuation of the USDT that I'm going to get at this current market price. But let's say I want to swap all this amount if WKC increases by some certain percentage, maybe to 0.9 range. So I just have to change that 8 to 0.9, which I'm looking out for. So you can see now that at that price I'm going to be getting 996 USDT instead of $800 plus. So let's say I even want to sell when it cancels 10, for instance, and let's make this 9, or let's change this to 0. So you can see that this same 100 billion is going to be giving me $9,968 if WKC cancels another 0. So let's put back the last 0 and let's leave it at 0.9. So this is 0.1234567 zeros 9. That's the actual amount of zeros that WKC has at this time, 8 zeros. So I want to swap when it gets to 8 zeros 9. So that's going to give me $996. If we come up to the order summary, that is an 11.8% change. So what you are saying is that if the market price goes 11%, you should please sell me out my entire portfolio into USDT. So let's say we want to set the tax to 3%. If you are okay with everything you have done here, all you need to do is place the order. If you still want to make amends, don't place the order yet. Just make all your adjustments. When you're okay, scroll up and look at the order summary. You can look at the market price summary, the fee summary, make sure everything sits well with you. Then you can hit place your order. Now it's going to pop up smart contract call for you, and then you just accept that, and the transaction will be pending. Allow it to load up for a while, and then you can see a transaction successful. So let's go up the way down. Now you can see this, that my order is pending. This other one cancelled down below was the one we used to do the tutorial video for buy limit. So this is sell limit now. So you can see that if the price changes to 11%, my 106 billion plus WKC will be sold, and I will get 996 USDT. So this is just how it works. Very simple. Also, if you wish to cancel it, you can just click on cancel there and then confirm. Allow it to load up. Once it has loaded, you see transaction successful and your pending order will be cancelled. Now this is a very interesting tool to use. It will save you a lot of stress, most especially for people who do not always have the time to be checking price action. You can just set this, and within 31 days, if this price action happens, your token will be sold automatically. So this is just how it works. It is very, very simple. You can try it out for yourself and let us know how this works for you. Thank you very much for watching, and see you in our next video.